Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make health bars in Unity. So sorry for me not uploading in a while, but to make up for it I'm going to be uploading once every day all week this week, so sorry about that anyway. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure to like and subscribe. But let's get right into it. Okay, so I've just loaded up into my scene here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create an empty object. I'm going to call this health bar. And now what we want to do is we want to right click and go UI, and we want to go canvas and just leave it what it's called and drag your health bar into this canvas. So on this health bar we want to add a component and we want to go slider. So now up here we want to right click 2D or UI image, and it's going to look very big, but it's very small on the canvas, because as you can see, that's the canvas, that's the image. So we're just going to get our health bar, where is it? We're going to get our image, and we're just going to drag it up here. Actually, the health bar will drag up here. So we have our health bar here in the middle, and I'm just going to shrink it down to fit. But before we do that, what we need to do is we need to get this image. We're going to click here, hold Alt, we're going to click this one down here. So now once you've done that, you can scale the health bar however way you want. I'm just going to make mine like this. So now with our health bar, we want to go with our image and drag it into target graphic, and our image again into fill rect. So now you can see when we drag this up, the health bar goes up. But this doesn't look very nice just on its own, so if you would like to add, just make your own sprite with a border or something, that would be cool. But for this tutorial I'm just going to get another image and just make it slightly bigger. And just make it black, but it's actually above this one, so we're just going to drag it back here, and it needs to go out here a bit. Okay, so now that we have our health bar actually working, I'm just going to color it red. We can add the code for this. So on our health bar, we want to add component. I'm just going to call this health. And click new script, create an add, and this will just load for a minute. And now you can just double click on it here, and it'll open it up in Visual Studio. Okay, so once you're up in here, you want to go up here. You want to do public slider. But it won't actually recognize it because we need to say using Unity Engine .ui and semicolon. And now if we put in slider, you can see it pops up, and we're just going to call this slider, I guess. So now we need to create another one, and we're just going to call it public int health. So now we want to go to our update function, and it's really quite simple. All you have to do is slider dot value is equal to health. Oh, wrong health. There we go. So now we can save and go back into Unity. And by default, let's just set our health to 100 and our slider here, and we set our max value to 100. And now you can see when we play, it should go right up to the top. Yeah. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. So you have to tick interactable and go disabled color, and just drag this up. need to make this red too. Now you can see. So we want to actually make it so that you can change the health. Now obviously you'd have it like when you touch an enemy, but just for this example, I'm just going to make it when you press spacebar, your health bar will go down 1. So I'm going to go back into our script. I'm going to do here if input get key down key code space, and then we're going to do curly brackets health minus equals 1. Wrong health again. I keep doing that. But now when we go into the game, our health will be about 100. We press spacebar, goes down. You can hear I'm clicking, and every time I do, it goes down. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe. But that's actually it. It's pretty short, so bye.